Hi there. Yesterday I just bought Gemini Plus account. Google AI Plus account, and Google AI Plus account has few features which is very useful, like the 200 GB storage, I guess. So let me show you Google AI Plus. Google AI suite. If I search this, Google AI plans with cloud storage. So I bought this one, and the features include, I think, 200 GB storage and the Gemini 3.1 Pro, and then Nano Banana. So this is my Gemini account, and I have figured out that for conversations and like the real conversation, ChatGPT is better, I guess. I don't feel comfortable in the real conversation with Gemini, and I get more I don't know. I get more connection. I feel more connected with ChatGPT's conversation rather than Gemini. I'll explore more on this as I have bought the Plus account. But what I want to test Nano Banana with you. Let's see how great image it can produce. I have no freaking idea. I've already uh, seen few videos, but I haven't tried it yet. So let's see how good it can create image. I have no plan of what I'm gonna create. Let's see what we can do together. But previously I have seen that while I was generating images with ChatGPT's DALI, with reference it gives you better result. And for ChatGPT, when you are training this in a way, like when you are in a team account, it produce way worse result than your personal account when it's more curated and it's more optimized for your need. So let's see what it can create. First of all, I know it will provide better result when I will give it some references. But let's see what we can create with this. So if I click on create image, it will show few style, like pick a style for your image. I don't want to explore those. I don't want to pick any style. I just want to describe my image. And this is in the thinking mode, and I don't know what these things do. It's showing fast answers quickly, and then thinking solves complex problems. I don't know which one should I select for creating image. Let's just type something wild. Let's type a mango with some with some potatoes floating floating in a beach. Sunny environment. All right. What should I say? Landscape. Hyper realistic. So let's see what it produce. But before that, I just want to make sure that I can improve my prompt. Let's see if I go to ChatGPT. I want to improve my prompt here. Like write a proper prompt for generating image in this case. I don't know if I write for Nano Banana how it will react, because they're rival. But whatever, I'll write this for Nano Banana 2. Okay. Let's see what it produces. Here is a clean, high quality prompt optimized for Nano Banana 2, focusing on realism, composition, and lighting. Alright, it created a prompt and I will paste it here. I'll paste it here. Okay. I don't know I should put the references right now or later, but let's see what it produces with this prompt. So we have to wait for few seconds, minutes, I don't know, but meanwhile I want to talk about my thought process about this AI models. I think for research purpose, Gemini and ChatGPT both are good, but the conversation wise ChatGPT feels better, and uh, other AI tools are okay. It got here, but I don't know what is this. Okay, I said potato and I meant uh, this is potato definitely, but I meant potato crackers. Okay. But this good. I think this is a very good image. Okay. So, do you want me to go further? I just want to check few product photography, like if I search for Mojo can or something like that. Mojo can. So this the Mojo can, and if I save this image and upload it here, upload files, let's just say put this image in the scene instead of mango and potatoes. Let's see what it comes up with. I want it to float in the beach, this can. So let's see how good it can produce this. I'm very optimistic, and I can imagine what I want to look, and if that doesn't come out, I'll be very frustrated. Let's see. So yeah, it's I bought Gemini Plus for image generation actually, because I have heard a lot of hype about Nano Banana, and I don't think ChatGPT's image generating model is as good as Nano Banana. As a UX designer or designer in general, it's sometimes it's now it's essential to use AI for image generation, because you can produce very high quality images which you can use in your projects, uh, which can actually make you uh, value yourself, value your works more than before. So yeah, it's generating. Let's see how it works. I don't know. But let's talk about few other AI tools I was exploring. Here I have a list of AI tools. I Other than Google AI and OpenAI, there's few other tools which you can use for image generation, like definitely Midjourney, and there is Higgsfield you can use for generating images and videos. I will explore those later. And then is there any other tool you can use for image generation? So there are a few third parties, so like there is 11 labs, you can found the image generation models there as well. Free Peak, you can found image generation model there as well. Like they are using Google's Nano Banana and other tools, and dumping those in their platform, and you can choose any of this and generate image. But uh, these are the main image generations options now we have, like Midjourney, Nano Banana, and okay, the image is here. Let's see. So it's very good, I believe. I wanted it to be floated like horizontally, but it's here. but it's look very good. So let's see if we can get there where I want to go. Can you make the bottle float horizontally? Let's see how it works. But whatever it produced, it's really good. I think you can easily design a mock-up and use those mock-up in your scene. That's amazing. This is very good for the branding projects where you need to show your mock-ups, and you can produce easily mock-ups with this. So let me see the quality while it's generating the image. The I don't know why it's taking a lot more time to download. Maybe it generate. Okay, it's 8 megabyte and the size is, it's pretty good, I believe, and the size is okay. Okay, it's 2816 by 1536, so it's pretty good quality, I guess. And the text is very clean here. You can see the text is very good. In the previous model we saw that the text are not good enough for presenting, but they retained the text very well. Let's see what it produced. Okay, certainly I have reoriented the bottle. Okay, so it poured the bottle here. So all I want is I want to see like half under the water and half above the water. So let's see if it can produce that. I want the bottle to be tilted slightly in the water, like 30% under the water and rest of them above the water. But so let's see what it produces. Okay, so I want 30% of the bottle under the water and the rest 70% above the water. So let's see what it can produce. I'm pretty impressed with the quality, to be honest. Let's see how it works. So yeah, so what I was talking, the main image generation model now we have. If we go to Higgs field, you can see there are a lot of image generation models, but they are not proper company. But company wise, Midjourney is a proper company, and then OpenAI is DALI, and then Google's Nano Banana. And if you go to Higgs field, you can see, if you go to create image, there are models: Higgs field Soul 2, Higgs field Popcorn, Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro, Seed Dream is here, Flux is here, and then Kling. So these are the models you can explore for image generation. So this is the current possibilities in the image generation industry. So sorry, this is not what I wanted. So this is the best image that it produced, but this one doesn't look good. This one looks good, but okay, let's see if I can collect some reference for this. I could prompt it more, but if I can collect some reference, so this looks like a very good reference. So let's see. if I show him some reference, then it can do. How good, let's see. Okay, uh, so I'll upload this one. Can you create an image like this one and put the and change the bottle to the one we are working with. I just want to know if the Gemini or Nano Banana model is good enough to talk with it like a human. Like here I'm saying that change to the bottle to the one we are working with, like we're working with this one, and I just want to know if it can understand this. Let's see. So I was in the Higgs field, so I've already mentioned that these are the options of image generation, like Nano Banana 2 Pro, Nano Banana 2 currently the latest, and then then ChatGPT's DALI, Midjourney, and Higgs field. You can see all the options, but the problem here is the pricing is pretty high. You can see this is monthly $9 per month, but there is credit limitation, and you don't know how much credit it will take for generating an image, and this is pretty hard. But for me, the Nano Banana, the Google AI Plus is very affordable, I believe, because you are getting 200 gigabyte of storage and Google Gemini and the AI models for 320 per month. For definitely you will get 6 months if you are buying from Bangladesh, but if you will get 2 months if you are buying from anywhere else, I believe. But after that it will cost 600 per month, which is also affordable. So let's see what it produce. Yeah, yes, that's it. That's what I wanted actually. This is pretty good. This is very good. Let's see the fingers. It's pretty good. So let's modify this image. I want to modify this image. All right, let's remove all the text, change the cloth color to, I believe, maroon, and I don't know, let's do white. Change the sky to a dramatic one. Remove the tree. Let's see what it produced. But for photography, I have given this reference, and just see what it produced. This is very cool, very cool. If I just give it an image, and if you have the product, if you have the actual image, then it's very easy to produce a mock-up. So yeah, I'm I think it will serve my purpose. I was looking for AI tools which will serve my purpose, not just give me tension that I will not, I'll miss this, but it just serve my current purpose. And I believe Nano Banana 2 is pretty good for serving our current purpose, like designing or producing images that we can actually use in our project. So it's pretty high quality and definitely usable, definitely, because the text look very good, though it can be more high quality. But no, not this one, not this one. This is just trash. Like, after when you are uh, when you are giving, okay, it misunderstood my thought. Okay, it misunderstood my thought. I think I can it changed the sky to dramatic one, but it removed the text of the can as well. No, not like this. Rem- mm, do not remove text from the bottle. From the bottle. Um, the sky should be sunny. The sky should be sunny, yeah. So let's see how it produces, and I want to find some example here. So these are very good images, Lumi, and Lumi is great for image generation. No, I mean these are the generated images that you can actually download and use in your project. These are very cool, and I believe they are using Midjourney for generating these images. So yeah, I'm trying to find something for reference. Okay, let's see if I can fit this. So I'll talk about a tool later, and that I have created with Google AI Studio. Okay, let's just talk about this one, Google AI Studio. Yeah, this Google AI Studio, and I think I have created an app with this. Yeah, this one called the Gradient Genius. What it will do, if you can give it an image, and it will create like here is a cool vibe of greenish thing. So you want a gradient like this, like an SVG gradient, which you can actually edit later. So if you just put your image here, and it will give you an actual SVG mesh gradient which you can edit later. So this is a cool product I have actually developed and also used in my project. So this was fun. Yeah, so this is the uh, image that it produced. So let me show you in Figma. Okay, so if I go to this one, so let me show you the actual real case here. Like if I copy this one and I have pasted here, and this is the actual gradient. So you can paste it like this and like this. You can change the points, and you can also change the color here as well. So this is actually useful. So what you are seeing here is just a 1000 by 1000 pixel SVG, but there is also other points which you can find here. Like this is a very cool website, and what I did, I have also picked some cool name for this, like this Emerald Park scenery, and this is very cool. I have used it in my projects. Like if you just type something here, you will definitely create an I believe you can definitely create some sort of pictures or some sort of social media posters here. This is very cool. Yeah, I think like you can easily put an image here and it will become a very cool poster, I believe, right? Yeah, this is very cool. This is very cool. I like it. So I've used this one in a lot of case. So this is one of the AI product I have created which actually usable. So let's see what our Gemini AI model is producing. Yeah, so it messed up with the image, and this one was good. So firstly, I believe what I'm learning here, creating the scenery is a bit time consuming, and let's see if I just upload this image again, use this as so let's see if it can reintroduce the bottle. I want to create actual design. So here the problem is with the background, and okay, this one was pretty cool. When it just, the background is very important in design. The whole composition is the most important thing. Like you see, just changing few things just disrupted the whole composition. This was pretty cool. I liked it so much. Yeah. So let's see what it produces next. So the more you there's I believe in AI also, there is no magic rule like if you do this it will create this and it will create that. You need to understand what you are trying to do. You need to make sure that you are actually prompting it well. So this is, it just produced the previous image. I don't know why. I don't know how. Okay. So if I go to Photoshop and remove all this text, and it can definitely, it's very easy. Can you keep the text? Can you okay, let's see. Can you remove uh, the text in the image, but do not touch the bottle at all? Like, keep the bottle as it is, but remove the text from remove rest of the text. So let's see if it can understand my what I'm going to need. So the thing is, if AI can understand what I'm actually thinking, then it's successful in my point of view. Actually, in in every product or in every business you are doing, if you can understand the user's need, what users is thinking in their mind, then I believe you can get the success you desire. So let's see what I have already I think I have give Gemini enough prompt. Why it is doing that, I have no idea. All text not on can has been completely and seamlessly removed. Why did that? I have no freaking idea. So yeah, that's the experience with Gemini. I don't know how I need to fix this. So can you remove the text in the image but do not touch the bottle at all? Like, keep the bottle as it is but remove rest of the text. Why it can understand this? Eh, This is very ridiculous, I believe. Okay, so what it's doing better? Uh, it's doing it's doing good if I am putting it an image and then just give him the mock-up. It's putting in the right way, but this is ridiculous. I don't expect that. It's very ridiculous. So do you want me to explore another with another reference? So I think this thing will work a lot better. So let's see if we can create something. Okay, I don't know what should I work on. So this could be a very good image. So let's say I'm gonna download image and go to Gemini, upload files. I'll upload these two, and let's see what it can do. Change. Okay, change the bottle model of the first image to the second one. Replace it with the second model. Let's see if it can produce this. Then I'll get a direction how to actually guide this. Okay, other than that it will be very difficult to guide Nano Banana 2. Let's see if we can understand what it actually required to produce great images. It's very important to understand your AI model. Let's see. By producing reference, I believe it will work good, but the thing is, it's sometimes messed up. I don't know why. Why would you mess up when you're why it is doing that? I mean, it just actually messed up everything. So let's see if I can create a new chat. So let's create an image. So if I input it here, replace the bottle of first image with the second one. Let's see it can work in the new text, but in the previous chat window it just messed up everything. That was ridiculous. I don't know, like the goal of creating AI model should be as human like conversation as possible, but currently it's not doing that. So this is cool, I believe. So in the this was my first image and this was my second one, and I think it's good. It's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of desaturated. It was very bright, but you can easily fix that with Photoshop. So yeah, this was kind of good. I think what I understand so far, if you give it a prompt, give it a give it a reference, then it can produce good images. It can produce good copies, I believe. This is just a copy of that image. I don't know if it's good for the creatives or not, but they're just copies of the previous. So I think I have to learn more about how to produce great images with this model. Currently what I understand, it's producing good copies, but it's not following instructions as I actually expected. So yeah, that's it. That's today's exploration. Let's see what we can do later. I'll get back to you soon. Bye bye.